Hi folks, and welcome to the Larry Challenge. Mr. Larry sent us a challenge in. It's going to be a moss green, lavender frost, a rose gold, and a pearl satin, which I had to put the rose gold in for the sepia because I don't have sepia paint. Couldn't find no sepia paint. So we're going to do this in a Creek Chub style. There's about 1 million variations on a Creek Chub minnow. So, you know what, let's just jump in feet first and see what we can do. Okay, we're going to start here with our rose gold. Well, we don't need much, just a little bit. Mix it all up. Come here, Bob, give me a thing. Bob, quit throwing stuff at me. She looks like she's running pretty good there, folks. This would be my first Creek Chub that I've done. I had to do a little research and look at different variations of it. We got way too much air pressure there, folks. Alright. So let's get our rose gold laid on here. We're going to start just about the lateral line and just split that lateral line. Straight up like that. I need to thicken that just a hair, folks. That's a little bit thin. Alright, we'll start that lateral line and split it. It don't matter how far up we go, folks, because we're going to be doing multiple coats over this. So there's our first step in this process. Right there. And the next color we're going to go into is our pearl satin gold. Okay. Pearl gold. We don't need a whole lot of that either. It's going to be a pretty simple little paint. Just going to start blending it up in layers. Perfection. Okay. Just going to rub that a little bit and lay that pearl gold. Just let it kind of blend into the color below it. Uh-oh. My hooky majooky just broke. Cool. I got one right here, Melissa. It just came off right there. So, no big deal. I'll fix it in just a minute. Alright, there we go, folks. That's easy. I don't believe that needs any more gold on it whatsoever. Now, lavender frost. And we don't need a whole lot of that either. Give me a stick, Bob. Okay, Lavender Frost. Okie dokie. Okay, we got our Lavender Frost put on. Well, let's clean our brush and then we'll move on to our Mossy Green. Close to moss green as I have here in the shop. We're awful light, but we're gonna put it on there anyway. And now we're gonna do the back. And just come right down the shoulders just a little bit. In the Mossy Meadow. I'm gonna hit right around this head. Let that slide back just a little bit there into that head and make that head green. That don't look bad at all. That's a good looking bait. I can see the purple, I can see the gold, I can see the rose gold. So let's heat set that. We'll throw another coat on it. And I'm going to do something different with the belly. Now,
what's with you and stands today?
I don't know. Just that kind of a day.
All your screws are loose.
Yep. They are today. I'm blurry. Looks pretty good. I hope you like this, Mr. Larry. It's starting to look really, really good. My first time painting one like this, but I am going to glitter it, buddy. I want it to have a little more shine. So what I did on the bottom was I combined the rose gold and the bright gold, pearl gold, and made a little bit different gold for the bottom. We're back, folks. with the Larry challenge is a Creek Chub, ugly dog style. So we did it on a 2.5 square bill. Got it all hooked up with some very nice hooks, mustads. It's Mossy Meadow, Lavender Frost, gold pearl satin right down here on the bottom, and then we have a rose gold, which I run in place of a sepia color for my sepia color. So there it is, folks. When we put a yellow lizard eye on it. Well, Mr. Larry, I hope you're happy with that, buddy. So that's kind of what I come up with. And I know that the Creek Chub comes in lots of different flavors, colors. So I'm going to do a little more studying on that, and I may do some more of those. Appreciate your challenge. Remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Tell all your buddies. This is Redneck 101 right here, folks. So, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.